Hey friends, this is Manuraj here from Gadget Gada. Today I'm here to show you one of the Instagram's latest update. So without further wasting your time, let's get started. So while using Instagram chat, you might have come across this new feature which shows when the user was last active, like 6 minutes ago, 6 hours ago, last seen yesterday, like this. This is a new feature introduced by Instagram, that is activity status. So to see this setting, you can go to your profile and click on the three dots menu on the right side of the screen and scroll down, and you will see something called show activity status. So by default this setting will be turned on. When it is turned on, activity status will be shown to every user. So you can turn this off. So when you turn this off, what happens is your activity status won't be shown to anyone and you won't be able to see others' activity status also. So let's see. So as you can see here, I am not able to see anyone's activity status. So that's it for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends, and until next time, bye bye.
For more such videos, subscribe to Gadget Kada, press the subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get all our notifications.